So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how well this thing gets out stains, this Bissell Spot Clean Pro. This is the model number 3624. Here I've got some chocolate and I've got some ketchup. We're going to see exactly how well it gets these stains out. Okay, so we got some chocolate stains, some ketchup. Here I've got 2 ounces. So I've got this filled up with fresh water to the fresh water line. You have to leave a little bit of room because you have to put 2 ounces of solution in. Now you want to make sure you're using a concentrated solution. That means it needs to be mixed with water. Put this on and you're simply going to just tilt it upside down and put it in there. It's ready to go. Now it is kind of loud. I'm going to turn it on because it is right here. So it's got a very simple switch. You're going to press the switch just to turn it on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is when I turn it on, it's going to have solution come out under pressure. I want to treat those stains a little bit, kind of soak them, get them nice and soaking with some solution. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to scrub, but the first time I'm going over it, I'm going to be spraying solution and scrubbing at the same time. Now I'll always have suction. The suction doesn't go away, but I can control how much solution I put down. Now, when I get the stain all clean, I'm gonna stop spraying solution and then I'm just gonna have suction and see how dry I can get it. So let's turn it on. Okay, so it's a little damp still, but that thing, it's got some really powerful suction, but it really got those stains out really good. This is some pretty good solution that I'm using. I felt like the machine did a really good job. So let's clean the hose now. So you're just gonna get a cup full or a bucket full of water. It's very simple to clean the hose. I can put that in there so it'll clean this and the hose, or you can take this off and just put it in there like that. I'm gonna suck the water up, but then I'm gonna let air go through here to let it air dry the hose. So turn it on. And there you have it. Okay, so when you're all done, I like that it's got a nice place to wrap the hose on. This really is meant for portability. It's a little on the big side, but it will clean up big messes because of that. Again, here's the dirty water tank. I'm gonna take this over to the sink, empty it out, and rinse this out and get this all nice and clean. Okay, so you're gonna wrap the cord. This is so you can take the cord off really easy. You're just gonna do this so that you can take the whole cord off. So now when you wanna wrap the cord up, I like that it has really nice cord storage. Now, if we look right here behind this, it says it has a 5.7 amp motor. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.